Your stomach growling does not mean you're hungry. Read that again. That loud noise. That embarrassing sound in a quiet room. It's not hunger. It's your digestive system cleaning itself. Even when you're not eating, muscles inside your stomach and intestines keep moving. They contract and push air and fluids around. This movement is called peristalsis. When your stomach is full, food absorbs the sound. But when it's empty, there's nothing to muffle it. So it sounds louder. Your stomach isn't begging for food. It's just doing maintenance. So next time it growls, you're not starving. Your body is just working.